Welcome to Pharmaguideline. If you are passionate about how cutting-edge technology is transforming the pharmaceutical industry, you are in the right place. Today's video is all about how artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing pharma, from drug discovery to delivery. Let's start. Use of AI in drug discovery and molecular design. Traditionally, drug discovery can take 10 to 15 years and cost over $2.6 billion. AI changes that game by screening millions of compounds quickly. For example, Atomway's AI platform uses deep learning to predict which molecules are most likely to bind to specific drug targets. In 2020, they partnered with researchers to identify potential COVID-19 treatments in weeks, not years. The benefit is faster compound identification, lower early-stage costs, and a higher success rate in lead optimization. The use of AI in clinical trials and patient recruitment. One of the biggest bottlenecks in pharma is clinical trials. AI is helping here, too. AI capabilities here are identifying eligible patients using electronic medical records, predicting which participants are most likely to adhere, optimizing trial site selection. For example, Deep-6 AI uses natural language processing to find patients for clinical trials by analyzing unstructured data from over 30 million medical records. Harvard Business Review estimates that AI can reduce trial enrollment time by up to 30%. Use in preparation of personalized and precision medicine. AI enables precision medicine by analyzing genetic data, environmental factors, and even lifestyle habits. The result? Tailored treatment plans that improve outcomes. For example, IBM Watson for Oncology helps oncologists make data-driven treatment decisions based on cancer genetics, patient history, and global research. The outcome is better efficacy, fewer side effects, and improved patient satisfaction. The fourth use of AI is in smart manufacturing and quality control. AI doesn't stop at R&D. It's powering smarter pharmaceutical manufacturing. AI uses R in predictive maintenance of machines, detecting batch inconsistencies in real time, automating visual inspections using machine learning. For example, Pfizer uses AI in continuous manufacturing systems to monitor real-time data for product quality. AI-driven quality control can reduce deviation rates by over 50%. Usage in supply chain and inventory management. From forecasting demand to optimizing inventory, AI ensures medicines get where they're needed, without delay. Capabilities of AI in this area are predictive analytics for stockouts, route optimization for distribution, monitoring global supply chain risks. For example, Roche uses AI tools to monitor logistics data and adjust distribution based on demand patterns. Use in pharmacovigilance and adverse event detection. Even after approval, drugs must be monitored for safety. AI helps by scanning large volumes of data, including social media and patient forums, for signs of adverse effects. For example, Bayer uses AI for signal detection in pharmacovigilance, increasing reporting efficiency by over 30%. AI can identify safety signals 6 to 12 months earlier than traditional methods. Use of AI in regulatory compliance and documentation. Regulatory submissions require thousands of pages of documentation. AI automates much of this, from formatting to checking consistency. For example, Cora from Genpact automates the creation of FDA-ready submission documents, reducing human errors and speeding up review processes. The impact is more efficient audits, quicker approvals, and reduced compliance risks. Use of AI in pharma marketing and sales. AI personalizes interactions between pharma reps and healthcare providers. Capabilities of AI in this area are predicting which physicians are likely to prescribe, optimizing call scheduling, chatbots to engage patients and HCP. For example, Novo Nordisk uses AI to personalize HCP communications based on behavioral data. Challenges for AI in the pharmaceutical industry. Despite its potential, AI faces challenges like regulatory approval, algorithm bias, and data privacy concerns. The key lies in transparent, explainable AI models and strict validation practices. In fact, a 2022 Deloitte report found that only 31% of pharma AI projects move beyond the pilot stage due to trust and governance concerns. AI is not here to replace us, it's here to empower us. It is helping scientists innovate, doctors personalize care, and companies deliver high-quality products faster than ever. If you are a pharma professional or student, it's time to start learning about AI. The future is already here, and it's incredibly exciting. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for pharma-related videos and join our membership plans to get member-specific and course videos.